Ever wondered why studying can sometimes feel like trying to climb Mount Everest without any training? It's a common challenge for many, but what if there were ways to make this uphill task feel more like a leisurely park stroll? Let's delve into some proven strategies to make studying effective and enjoyable. First on the list is setting clear goals. Knowing the destination makes the journey easier. When sitting down to study, it's crucial to know what you want to achieve in that session. Whether it's understanding a complex theory or learning new vocabulary, having a clear goal in mind helps to maintain focus and provides a sense of accomplishment once it's achieved. Next, consider the Pomodoro technique. Named after the Italian word for tomato, this method involves studying in 25-minute increments with a 5-minute break in between. After 4 rounds of this, take a longer break. This technique helps to maintain concentration and reduce fatigue. Thirdly, make sure to take care of your health. Studying is a mental activity, and the mind works best when the body is in good shape. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep can significantly improve your ability to study effectively. Another critical tip is to create a conducive study environment. This could be a quiet room, a comfortable library, or even a peaceful outdoor setting. The key is to find a place where you can focus without distractions. Also, keeping this space clean and organized can help to reduce stress and increase productivity. Fifth, use active recall and spaced repetition. These are learning techniques that involve actively testing your memory and spacing out your study sessions over time. Active recall boosts memory retention, while spaced repetition helps to combat the forgetting curve. Finally, don't shy away from seeking help when needed. Whether it's from teachers, classmates, or online resources, getting a different perspective can often help to understand complex concepts. Plus, discussing what you've learned is a great way to reinforce knowledge. So, to summarize, set clear goals for each study session, use techniques like the Pomodoro method to manage time, take care of your health, create a conducive study environment, use active recall and spaced repetition, and don't hesitate to seek help when needed. Studying doesn't have to feel like an insurmountable task. With these strategies, it can become a manageable and even enjoyable part of life. Remember, the goal of studying isn't just to ace exams, but to gain knowledge and skills that will be valuable throughout life. So, climb that mountain with confidence, and you'll find that the view from the top is definitely worth the effort.